Hi everybody, I'm back, and today we're going to do some salsa with using the Mrs. Wages salsa mix. 1 pack makes 5 pints, so I've got double. I'm going to do 10 pints, and I have used this before and it's great. It's quick, it's easy, really simple. So I'm going to get started on processing my jars. I'm going to process them and I will be right back with you all. Okay, my jars and lids are prepped. I've got 1 cup of vinegar because I'm doing 2 batches of the Mrs. Wages. I'm going to do a double batch. I've got my tomatoes. Okay, and my vinegar and my salsa spices. Now with this, the longer you leave it, the hotter it can get. And you want to use a heavy saucepan, nothing that the spices and the tomatoes will react with. Okay, I'm going to get this to boiling and get it stirred down, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I've got it all in the kettle, and remember, now with this, the longer it sits on the shelf, the spicier it will become. And make sure you use a heavy saucepan, nothing that any of the spices or the tomatoes will react with. And we got to bring this to a boil and let it simmer. And let's see. Bring mixture to a boil, stir occasionally. Alright, I will get this stirred up and I will be right back. Now for any of you all out there that has been reluctant to try the Mrs. Wages and the salsa, I recommend you do, because it's really good salsa. It's super easy and quick. Don't like the tomato peels in there. Okay, we've reached the boiling stage. I've turned my heat down between medium and high. We'll let that simmer for 10 minutes and then we'll be ready to jar it up. Be right back. Okay, we have simmered for 10 minutes and I am ready to put the salsa mix in jars. Too bad I ain't got 4 hands. Okay, let me move it off the heat and get it jarred up, and then we'll see what we end up with. Okay, I've got it all jarred up. Now, with doubling that recipe, I ended up with 11.5 pints. So this half pint, I'm just going to go ahead and put a lid on, set it in the fridge, and we will eat that. So now I just had to put the lids on, do the hot water bath for 40 minutes, and there you have it. Homemade salsa. Hope you all enjoy.